In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down a clip in InVideo. If you want to add smooth, cinematic slow motion to your video, this workflow is simple and reliable. First, log into InVideo using your usual method so you can access your editing dashboard. Once you're in, head straight to your projects. This is where all your drafts and ongoing edits are stored, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Open your project to launch the editor. You'll land on the main workspace, and this is where the timing and organization of your elements come together. Next, go to your layers and timeline. The timeline, typically along the bottom, displays the structure of your video across time, while the layers area helps you identify and manage each element in your scene. Getting comfortable with these panels is essential because speed changes affect the duration and placement of your clip within the timeline. Now select the clip or video you want to edit. Click it directly in the timeline or on the canvas to highlight it. Make sure you've selected the correct layer if your scene has multiple elements like text, overlays, or background footage. You should see controls appear that relate specifically to the clip you've chosen. With the clip selected, look to the top toolbar and click on the speed button. It often looks like a gauge or speedometer, and it opens the speed controls for the active clip. This is where you'll make the actual change that creates slow motion. Choose one of the speeds below normal. Normal speed is typically shown as 1x. To slow things down, select a value under that, such as 0.75x or 0.5x. The smaller the number, the slower the playback. As you apply a lower speed, the clip will play more slowly and its duration will extend on the timeline. The preview will reflect this change, helping you confirm that the pacing feels right for your story. If your footage includes spoken audio, be aware that slowing it down can make voices sound stretched. Many editors pair slow motion with music or ambient sound for a cleaner result. Also, because the clip gets longer, keep an eye on how this affects the timing of the surrounding clips and any on-screen text. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened your project, navigated to your layers and timeline, selected your clip, used the speed button, and chosen a speed below normal to create slow motion. With these steps, you can add impact, emotion, and clarity to your edits in just a few clicks.